In this video, I'll be showing you how you enable a VPN on your Google Chrome browser. So there are two ways in which you can do this. So the first option is you open your Google Web Store or your Chrome Web Store like this. So on this here, we are going to install a VPN, which is, an extension. So we just tap on this here. Let's enter VPN and now let's select a featured one. So let's use this. This is the first option. So let's use that. So you just tap on add to Chrome. You are going to download it. It's an extension. You're going to download that and then you install it on your Chrome. Now you see we've added it to Chrome. Now we tap on this extension here to pin it. Anytime we try to browse on Google Chrome, all we need to do is we tap on this here, which is the icon of the VPN. And then we turn the VPN on and then we start browsing. You get it? Yeah. You can see this is my country. You can just tap on that and you're good to go. So that's it on how you turn on a VPN on Google Chrome. Simple and easy. Else, if you don't want to do this option, you need to download a VPN on your PC and then turn it on. So anytime you start using Google Chrome, the VPN will be running in the background. Else, you need to go with this option. Just install it here. So you come on here to pin and unpin, and there's the icon of your VPN. You just tap on that to turn it on and off. Simple as that. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.